Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some pronunciation tips that will help you improve your English pronunciation. Now, pronunciation is one key aspect of language learning and it can often be a challenge, especially if you're a non-native speaker. But with a little practice and some helpful tips, you can improve your pronunciation and speak English more fluently. The first tip is to practice individual sounds. English has many sounds that don't exist in other languages, so it is important to focus on these sounds in order to improve your pronunciation. And a great way to practice is by listening to native speakers and trying to mimic the sounds they make. You can also find pronunciation resources online or in language learning apps. The second tip is to use a mirror. Watching yourself speak in a mirror can help you see how your mouth moves and where you're making mistakes. This can help you identify areas to focus on and improve your overall pronunciation. The third tip is to practice stress and intonation. English is a stress-timed language, which means some syllables in the word are stressed more than others. It is also important to use the correct intonation patterns to convey meanings and avoid sounding monotone. The fourth tip is to slow down. Many non-native speakers tend to speak too quickly, which make it difficult for others to understand them. By slowing down, you can give yourself more time to pronounce words correctly and ensure that your speech is more clear and understandable. The fifth and final tip is to get feedback. It can be difficult to identify your own mistakes, so ask a native speaker or language teacher to listen to your speech and provide feedback. They can help you identify areas to improve and give you specific tips on how to improve your pronunciation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these tips were helpful and that you can use them to improve your English pronunciation. Remember, practice is key, so keep practicing and you will see improvement over time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more language learning tips and advice. See you again in the next video.